Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use Obrelo for dropshipping. The easiest way to sell products online without buying inventory upfront. Obrelo lets you import products straight into your Shopify store and ship directly from the supplier to your customer. Now let's jump into these steps. The first step is to create your Obrelo account, and to do that, just head to obrelo.com, click on the website, and make sure you click on Join Shopify to create an account. Now, after that, you're gonna have to make sure to create a Shopify account. You can pay for it for the subscription, like you see here. After you create your Shopify account, go back to your store and browse and select products. You can use the search bar to explore categories like fashions, gadgets, beauty, and home decor, and check the product's ratings, supplier reliability, and shipping time and pricing. Now, after you finish doing that on Obrelo, the third step is to add products to the import list. And to do that, just click on Add to Import List on any product you like, and edit the product title, description, and images to match your brand. And the fourth step is to publish products to Shopify. And you can do that by clicking Import to the store to sync products directly to your Shopify store. As you can see here, this is the product section. Once you link your Shopify account with the Obrelo, it will become possible to sync your products by clicking on Add Products. As for the fifth step, fulfill the orders automatically. Now, once customer orders, Obrelo lets you process it in one click, and the supplier handles the packing, shipping, and tracking updates. And that's how easy it is to launch a dropshipping business with Obrelo. Always test order a product first to check quality, and choose supplier with a good rating and fast shipping time, and you can customize product description to boost trust and SEO. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.